Hello kids, my name is Miss Morzaria Devanshi and I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today what we are going to do? We are going to begin with our exercise solving of chapter number 5, that is let's go to school, right? So we are going to do that. But before we do that, before we start with that, what we are going to have? We are going to have a quick recap of our last session. That means लास्ट सेशन में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा, क्या सीखा, वो हम लोग एक बार फिर से ठीक से देखने वाले हैं, right? So we are going to go and see that what we have learned in the last session. In the last session, we are done with the explanation of chapter. We have completed the explanation of the chapter in which we learned many things. We learned what do we learn in school? We learn subjects, reading, writing, drawing, everything. But at the same time, we also learn discipline, respect, sharing, manners and whatnot. So these are the things that we are learning in school. हम स्कूल में सिर्फ subjects ही नहीं पढ़ते, हम लोग कई सारी चीजें जो है वो पढ़ते हैं. सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हम लोग मैनर्स, डिसिप्लिन, ये सारी चीजें भी स्कूल में ही सीखते हैं. And then we have learned about the places in school, which are they? Classroom, it is the room where you study. Library, it is the room where you get books from, right? You can read books there and borrow books there from there as well. Then medical room, it is the room where you can go when you are sick and if you have hurted yourself. अगर आपको चोट लग गई हो, आपको बीमार फील हो रहा हो, तो आप लोग मेडिकल रूम में जा सकते हैं, right? And the last one is computer room. Computer room is the room where we go when we want to learn the computer. हम वहाँ जाकर कंप्यूटर लर्न कर सकते हैं. And the last thing, that is playground is there where you can go and play. Assembly hall is there जहाँ पर आपकी मॉर्निंग असेंबली होती है. असेंबली क्या है? जहाँ सब लोग इकट्ठा होके प्रेयर करते हैं, नेशनल एंथम गाते हैं, राइट? छोटे मोटे प्रोग्राम्स भी हमारे असेंबली हॉल में ही होते हैं, राइट? देन इट इज कैंटीन. कैंटीन इज द प्लेस वेयर वी ईट आवर फूड. हमारा खाना जो है हम कैंटीन में खा सकते हैं, राइट? स्टाफ रूम इज द रूम वेयर टीचर्स रेस्ट एंड डू देयर वर्क. सो ये सारी अलग अलग जगह है स्कूल में, ये हमने सीखा. एंड देन वी लर्न अबाउट द पीपल दैट आर देयर इन स्कूल. कौन कौन से लोग होते हैं? प्रिंसिपल is the head of the school, जो सारी चीजों का, सारे काम का ख्याल रखते हैं कि सब अच्छे से हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, right? Then teachers are the one who teaches you. Teachers कौन है? जो आपको पढ़ाते हैं, right? Then sweepers are the one who keep the school clean. Sweepers कौन है? जो हमारी स्कूल को क्लीन रखते हैं. Then driver is the one who drives the bus and pick the children up and drop them off to their houses. बच्चों को लेने और फिर छोड़ने भी ड्राइवर बस में जाते हैं, right? Then guards are the people who are protecting the gate, right? गेट पर खड़े रहकर स्कूल को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, हम लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. सो ये सारे अलग अलग लोग जो है वो स्कूल में होते हैं, जिससे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? अपनी उनकी हेल्प लेकर अपना काम इजी कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द प्लेसेस इन स्कूल एज वेल एज वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द पीपल इन स्कूल, राइट? सो किड्स, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव लर्न. आई होप यू आर क्लियर एंड थरो विद दैट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज so that things are pretty much clear and better to all of you. Let's move to that. Okay, so kids, now we are going to do what? We are going to solve the first question, that is pick the correct answer, in which we have to read the question carefully and see the options and choose the correct answer. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और लास्ट में क्या है? ऑप्शंस देखकर करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है उसे टिक करना है, उसे चूज करना है, राइट? So that is the thing that we are going to do. So the first question is, we learn to dash and dash in school. हम स्कूल में क्या करना सीखते हैं? क्या और क्या करना सीखते हैं? Read and write, sleep and eat के both of these. स्कूल में हम क्या करना सीखते हैं? खाना और सोना सीखते हैं. पढ़ना लिखना सीखते हैं. Which is the correct answer? Think and tell. The correct answer is A, that is read and write. हम स्कूल में पढ़ना और लिखना सीखते हैं. So here the correct one will be read and write. Then the next one is dash have chairs and benches. किस रूम में chairs और benches होते हैं? Right. So let us see the options. The options are classroom, canteen, playground. चलो benches किस रूम में होती है? क्लासरूम में, कैंटीन में या प्लेग्राउंड में? Close your eyes, think for a second and give me the answer. Classroom. Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is classroom. Right. And the third one is dash keep the school clean. कौन अपनी स्कूल को क्लीन रखता है? Right. स्कूल क्लीन कौन रखने में हेल्प करता है? Let's see. Gardener. No, he helps us with the garden. Sweeper. Yes, he keeps the school clean. Driver. He drives the bus. So the correct answer will be sweeper because they clean the school, right? And the last one is dash is the head of the school. Who is known as the head of the school? Just see the option and then we will discuss the answer. Principal, driver, teacher. Head of the school कौन है? Principal, driver, teacher. Principal is the head of the school. Driver is the one who drives bus. Teacher is the one who teaches. So A is the correct answer. So kids, with this we are done with question number A. Now we are going to move forward with solving B, right? So let's move on to that. Let's do that. Okay, so kids, as we have solved question A, that is the correct answer. Now we are going to solve the B one, that is match the columns. Here in column A, things are given and on column B, the places are provided. So what we have to do is we need to see which things are going to which place, right? ये सारी चीज़ें जो हमें दी गई है वो कौन सी जगह पे मिलती है वो हमें मैच करना है, right? So the first one is desk, right? So where do we find desk in a school? राइट फर्स्ट वन विल बी कंप्यूटर रूम में होती है, नो प्लेग्राउंड में होती है, नो असेंबली हॉल में, नो classroom, right? Desk and benches are there in the classroom, so one will be matched with D, right? Then the second one is computer with CPU, right? So where do we find it? In computer room. Yes, we find it in the computer room, so 2 will be matched with A, that is computer room. Then the third one is swings, slides and monkey bar, right? So ये सारी चीज़ें हमें कहाँ देखने मिलती है? कंप्यूटर रूम में, नो प्लेग्राउंड में, yes we find these things in the playground. So 3 will be matched with B. Fourth one is a mic. Where do we find a mic? We find the mic in the assembly hall. So fourth one will be matched with C. So these are the things that you need to do in your textbook. You need to do the correct matches. You need to make it appropriate. Okay. Now we are going to do what? We are going to solve the question C. Let us move on to that. Let's learn that. Okay, so as we have solved B, that is match the column, now we are going to do the decode question. In that, what you need to do is you need to observe the picture carefully that is provided, and then we need to answer the questions that are given, right? So please look at the picture carefully so that we can move forward to the questions. Okay, so the first question is, what is shown in the picture? Can you recognize which thing is there which is shown in the picture? पिक्चर में कौन सी चीज़ का फोटो दिया गया है? कैन यू सी दैट? A thing is blackboard, right? Blackboard is shown in the picture. Correct? Then the second question is, where will you find this in your school? Blackboard कहाँ पे होता है? Right? Think for a second and tell me the answer. We find the blackboard in the classroom. हम classroom में blackboard को पाते हैं. We find the blackboard in the classroom only. Right? So now we are done with the decode question. We will be moving forward with the answer these question. हम लोग question answer पढ़ने वाले हैं next. So shall we move on? We will. Okay, so kids, now we are going to solve the last question, that is answer these questions. Right? So here we need to read the question carefully and then we need to answer the questions accordingly. So the first question is, why do we go to school? Here the first question that is there is, why do we need to go to school? So I want you all to close your eyes and think about the answer. School जाना क्यों जरूरी है? Right? Have you thought of it? Just close your eyes and think for a second. Okay, so going to school is important because we go to school to learn how to read, write, draw, paint, sing, dance and learn good manners. जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं तब हम कई सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, such as reading, writing, singing, dancing, painting, everything, right? And at the same time we are learning what? We are learning good manners. So it is important for us to go to school. I hope you are understanding and you are able to understand the first question clearly, right? Now shall we see the next one? Shall we understand the next question? So the next question is, where do you play in school? स्कूल में कहाँ खेलते हैं? Right? In school we play in a playground. जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं तब हम लोग स्कूल के playground में खेलते हैं. Right? Then the next one is, who is a principal? Principal is the head of the school. They look after the working of the school. Principal कौन है? Head. They see that everything is going okay, everything is going smooth or not. सभी काम जो है वो अच्छे से हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं, वो देखने का काम किसका है? प्रिंसिपल का है. Right? Then the next question is, what do you like about your school? That answer Didi has not written, but because that you need to write down by your own. वो आपको अपने हिसाब से लिखना है. Right? So kids, these are the questions and that you are supposed to be solving in your textbook. ये सारे questions आपको अपनी textbook में solve करने हैं. Right? Okay, so with this, it is the end of our chapter and exercise solving. I hope you are now very much clear of the chapter and the exercise also. Right? So in this chapter, we have learned many things. Which are they? We learn, what do we learn in school? हमने पहले ये सीखा कि हम लोग स्कूल में क्या learn करते हैं. We learn so many things, right? Reading, writing, dancing, singing, drawing, whatnot. And at the same time, we learn manners, good manners. We greet when we meet someone. हम जब किसी को मिलते हैं तब greet करते हैं. सबसे अच्छे से बात करना, respect से बात करना. We need to be in discipline. हमारा uniform जो है वो appropriate होना चाहिए. We should be talking in good manner. We should be coming on time to school. So ये सारी चीजें जो है वो हम लोगों ने स्कूल से ही सीखी है. We learn that in school only. So when we are talking about what do we learn in school, हम सिर्फ subjects के बारे में ही बात नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग ये सारी चीजें भी include करेंगे. Right? Sharing, friendship, ये सारी चीजें भी हम लोग स्कूल में ही सीखते हैं. Right? Then if we are talking about the places that are there in school, there are so many classrooms, library, medical room, then computer room, assembly hall, staff room, whatnot. So these are the different rooms that are there in our school. And then at last we learn about the people that are there in school. Principal, who is the head, teachers who teaches us, driver who drives the bus, gardener who takes care of the garden, sweeper who keeps the school clean, etc. So ये सारे लोग स्कूल में होते हैं जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. So we should be talking very nicely to them. हमें उन लोगों से भी बहुत अच्छे से बात करनी चाहिए. That is the thing that I want all of you to learn. आप सभी को ये सारी चीजें समझनी है. Then Didi has taught you, right? If elders are there, good. Younger ones are there, then also we need to talk to them with respect. सभी लोगों से रिस्पेक्ट से बात करनी है, अच्छे से बात करनी है, right? So kids, this was the session of today in which we are done with chapter number 5. In the next session, we are going to continue with the vocabulary words of chapter number 6, right? So kids, this was the session of today. Until we are seeing each other next time, what we are going to say? We are going to say bye.
Would you like to visit my school? I love taking visitors around. Let me show you my school. As soon as we enter, we can see the big playground where we have a lot of fun. Students play basketball, football, and other games here. We wait for the short break and lunch break as well as the games period to run out and play. We can now see the principal's office right in front. The principal is always busy but finds time to conduct the school assembly in the assembly hall. The assembly hall has a mic so that everybody can hear when the principal talks to the whole school. We say our morning prayers here and also have important functions here. The office is next to the principal's office. We pay our fees here. There are classrooms for each class from nursery to class 10. This is my classroom. Each classroom has a number of desks and chairs. We have a sick room where we can go and lie down if we are not feeling well or when we get hurt while playing. This is our school library. I love going to the library. There are lots of storybooks here. Our teacher often brings us here and reads out stories. Sometimes we watch fairy tales and other stories on the computer. The computer room attracts all of us because we can see animations and learn our lessons in an interesting way. At times, our teacher allows us to play games and we enjoy playing computer games. This is our science laboratory. I am waiting to grow up to be able to go to the science laboratory to do experiments. I hope you liked looking around my school. I certainly enjoyed showing you around.
Description of a classroom. This is a classroom. The classroom is very clean and tidy. It is also very spacious. A classroom has many desks and chairs. 2 or more students sit together on a desk. A classroom also has a blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard with a chalk. There is a big table and a chair for the teacher to sit. Some classrooms also have a cupboard in the corner for keeping books and other items. We learn many new things in the classroom. We learn how to read and write. We also learn how to draw and paint. There is a dustbin for throwing waste paper and pencil shavings. We must keep our classroom neat and clean.